Hello there and welcome to AMT Specialist Cars in Leeds. And today we have the absolute pleasure of bringing to market this stunning Mercedes-AMG C43 Premium Plus Coupe. Now this is the facelift version of the car, and for any customers who are aware, when Mercedes did the facelift, the exterior styling and equipment levels changed dramatically on this vehicle. I'd certainly like to take you through some of the options that are on the car and also the details for this vehicle's history. Now first and foremost, it is certainly worth mentioning the exterior and interior condition of this vehicle is absolutely stunning. And of course, being a Mercedes-AMG product, we have all of that racing heritage put through a four-wheel drive system with that incredible V6 engine producing some absolutely lovely tones. So we can see on the exterior of this vehicle, it's finished in the diamond white metallic paint, which has a pearlescent look, and when that does catch the sun, you get some very nice shades and depth come through this. We also have privacy glass from that B pillar backwards, which matches the panoramic sunroof, and as we can see, that's in the open position currently, and that will tilt, and there is an electric blind which will cover that if needs be. We have the 19-inch multi-spoke AMG alloy wheels, finished in the matte black, which ties in perfectly with the other gloss black styling aspects. We also have the subtle boot spoiler, and as mentioned, on this facelift model we have the 4 exhaust pipes out back, really giving it that AMG finish. So I'd like to take you through the equipment levels that are on this vehicle, because the list is incredibly extensive. If there's anything that we've not covered, then please do let us know and we'll happily come back to you with the details. So on the exterior of this vehicle, we have front and rear sensors, which are audible and visual, with self-parking if you would like the vehicle to park itself. We also have a reversing camera which is kept behind the Mercedes badge on the rear, which keeps it clean whilst you're on the road. Something else on the exterior certainly worth mentioning is what's known as the multi-beam LED lighting system. It is incredible seeing this work after dark, as your full beams are always on, and it's able to move the lights away from oncoming vehicles or vehicles that are in front of you on the road. Certainly has to be seen to be believed. It is an incredible lighting system, that one. Now we also have, on each and every door handle, we can see a chrome top to it here. So the keys are literally just in my pocket, and for me to swipe the exterior, we get the little pip on the horn and those mirrors fold in. And as long as that key is within a metre distance from the door handle, we can touch the inside. We are now unlocked. We can head into the vehicle, and we have the flashing push start button there, ready to go. So we have the AMG interior with this vehicle. So we have the flat bottom AMG multifunction steering wheel with the red flash at the 12 o'clock position. With this car having the Premium Plus package, that provides it with a memory package for driver and passenger, and a Burmester sound system, which is of the highest quality. Heated seats for driver and passenger are standard, and there's a huge list of features that you can actually just voice control on this car, and we'll happily talk you through them upon your inquiry. Centre console finished in the piano key gloss black and is in absolutely incredible condition, and all of the vehicle settings, ventilation, and as we can see on the display in the centre there is where it will come up with the satellite navigation, all of the multimedia, the Bluetooth settings, and of course that reversing camera. Now after dark, we'll also notice the ambient lighting inside this car. Many colours to choose from, different brightness levels, which really finish off that interior incredibly well. So yes, if not mentioned before, we are very proud to be bringing this to market. It is an incredible vehicle with stunning performance and of course a four-wheel drive system to get the maximum out of that engine. So thank you once again for your inquiry. Here at AMT Specialist Cars, we would love to look after each and every customer and provide a rounded service all under one roof. And for any of your funding requirements, please do have a talk with us about them, as we have our panel of lenders where we can search for the very best deal for you. For any vehicle that's outside of its manufacturer's warranty, we have warranty wires on hand, ready to provide us with extended warranty options. And last but not least, and certainly on this vehicle, it deserves a paint and upholstery treatment to keep it in this condition. So we have Auto Glim and their product known as Life Shine, which is designed to bond with the exterior paintwork of the vehicle. Also, the glass is treated and the interior upholsteries, be that leather or fabric, are all protected. So thank you once again for your inquiry. We'll be in touch very shortly with